This is Baby Cruz's room. This is his closet. Look at all the clothes. A little giraffe. Alright, let's see. The tree that Aunt Jessie did. The little birdie. And the cute little owl. The monkey. Let's see. Cruz. And this cute little crib. Now all we need is a baby to go inside of here. That's where the baby's gonna sit. Or actually, I'll sit with the baby. That's the tree one more time. Pee-wee thinks it's his room, huh? Alright, and that's it.